All right. Slow Road Chicago is a bicycle movement. We ride bikes to make our neighborhood better. Period. This is why we exist. This is why we ride. Our mission is to connect a diverse group of people to utilize bicycles and the activity of cycling to transform lives and improve the condition of our communities by organizing community bicycle rides. Our vision is equal bicycle usage across the city of Chicago with respect to race, income, and geography. We envision bikes as a form of transportation contributing to reducing violence, improving health, and creating jobs. For us, bicycles are vehicles for social change. Our target audience are the people who traditionally do not ride bikes in Chicago. And that is people of color, low to moderate income people, people who live on the south side and west side. And the way we connect with our target audience is by doing what we're doing right now. Sometimes 20, sometimes 200, riding through our neighborhoods, inspiring people to change the way they think about bikes. We have a threefold strategy. We have a signature ride series. We ride every Wednesday night. All of our rides are neighborhood-based, hosted in partnership with community organizations. Number one. Number two, we do youth programs. We have a program called Bike Shift that uses bikes as a way to connect with young people to teach them leadership skills, life skills, community organizing, and advocacy skills. That's number two. Number three is advocacy. We advocate for three things. One is bicycle equity, equitable distribution of bicycle resources across Chicago. Number two, a healthy respect for community, culture, and history. And number three, community ownership of the transportation process, the transportation planning process, so that when infrastructure comes into our neighborhoods, we own that infrastructure. We were at the table. We were part of the process that brings that infrastructure to our communities. Slow road. Yes. All right, y'all ready to ride? Woohoo! All right, just a couple points about safety. We ride as a group.
Into the Austin neighborhood on the west side.
Oh, no, the guy from Portland. was again?
Hmm?
So what did you say your name was again?
Oh, you forgot
I'm
already?
like 5 times before I remember.
You forgot.
I'm
It's,
Eric.
it's 2 syllables. Okay. Jason. There we go. That'll help you.
Jason. What's going on, y'all?
Alright.
Jason.
Yep.
Okay. I'm horrible at names. Like, I can talk to people and I can tell you the stories that I get. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Alright.
the information I receive from the stories.
Hey.
But I can't tell you the names.
That's how I am, you know. I'm getting better at it, though. I can
That's
remember.
what I have to keep asking.
What? Oh, you have to keep asking?
I gotta keep asking.
At least you ask. At least you don't pretend like
I know.
right,
I did that.
and then be forgetting. You know people for like 5 years and you don't know their name?
No.
Like,
I don't know for 5 years. I might. Or like, you know what else I do?
Yeah.
I make like pet names.
Oh, pet names.
You know what I'm saying?
Right. So
Like
you just
Sugarfoot. Little bitty. Like
what's my pet name?
I have to know nobody's name.
Hey!
Chicago!
Trying to think of what's my pet name?
Huh?
What's my pet name? Chocolate stick? I don't know. I just thought I'm just talking out my head.
Chocolate covered pretzel.
Man. I had to take that thing off because I'm like, my legs so, like my calf is thin.
Right.
That shit just fell out. It looked like a anklet. I'm looking at it on everybody else's ankle. It's all snug. Like, this is not fit.
You know them chocolate pretzels Flip.
Then what?
Them chocolate pretzels, that company is called Flip.
Oh no. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's it right there. Flip. That was good.
Ah, the west side. All right. Hey.
Chicago. Slow roll, Chicago.
There you go.
That's it. Plant the germ. And watch it go viral. Potholes.
Straight up potholes. Up on the west side.
Slow roll. How you doing? Slow roll, Chicago.
Right. You said better not run into you. Am I the only person that doesn't understand what they're saying? Pothole.
Right down the middle of that.
Whoa, yeah, that's okay. Sorry about that. What park is this? Yeah, I never in St. Douglas Park, is it? No, that's further south. Yeah. I never knew about this park, man. Are you from what part of town are you from?
Southside.
Oh, same here. Yeah, I'm like in a new city right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I never been really west before. Yep, I'm all right. Gosh, I brought my mountain bike. This is the wrong bike.
Right.
Yeah. Tires are too skinny.
Yeah, I'm always afraid I'm gonna pop mine.
Oh yeah.
No,
Actually, the more inflated, the better. Gotta put some more air in mine. Yeah.
Keep it away from the rim.
Yeah. And it pops all the glass and rocks and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I didn't know that at first. I'm like, man, this thing's gonna explode.
I guess other than wrapping it around it, I guess it is better.
Yeah. Yeah, but I like riding through the park, man. It's nice. Oh, don't be a quitter. Come on. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, I see. I still don't know what park this is. It's crazy.
Drunk up to, yeah, come downstairs, man. So many fights for on the weekend. We around here at
Well, sorry. I'm sorry about that. Uh-huh.
rolling.
Right. Okay, switch to your right. Oh. There you have it, right?
Done this ride before?
I've done the well, I've done slow roll once before.
What's that?
I've done a slow roll once before. Yeah, Calumet Park a few weeks back.
Yeah, that's nice. Down 95th Street.
Yeah, over toward the Indiana border. Yeah.
I ride down there.
It was a real nice ride.
Where do you stay?
Oh, in Chatham actually.
What's that?
In Chatham.
Chatham.
Yeah.
You're friends with the guys that are the car back.
All right.
You're friends with the organizers then?
Well, I met them through here.
Okay.
Yeah. I know they're from that area.
Yeah.
Yeah. I missed that Chatham
Car
ride.
back.
Yeah. Yeah.
You ride up here or do you put the bike in the car?
No, I took the train.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, Green Line. Yeah.
My name's Lev.
Oh, Jason.
Jason.
Yeah. All right. This your first? You've been.
First
you
slow roll.
Oh, first slow roll. Okay. Cool.
We want to do it all summer.
Yeah. Finally got to. Are you?
Lined up. Car back.
From this area?
I stay in Rutgers Park.
Okay.
So about as far north from the city as you can go.
Yeah.
without being out of the city.
Yeah. This is about far west you can go without being out of the city.
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah.
So if you're, you probably stay in the 80s somewhere, right?
91st.
So I'm 7200.
Okay, yeah. 7200.
So probably.
Well, I'm actually right next to the. No, I'm a few blocks from the Dan Ryan, west of the Dan Ryan. So I'm right off the red line. Yeah. So this is like a.
Around Western Avenue.
Okay. Okay. This is like a new city to me. The west. This is like a new city to me. The west side. It's a nice way to. So okay, yeah. I thought it was a. Jamal must be back there with her. The other guy, other organizer.
Oh.
Yeah, the mechanical.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's back there with her.
Okay, yeah, cause I. All right. Have to wave at everybody. It just.
On your left. Parker on your left.
Hey. M&S Food Mart. You on Lewis and Adams. Man, this is interesting. I would never in my life bike over here by myself. Where we ride from? Yeah. Right.
Come on over to my right if you
Okay.
don't mind.
All right.
I'm part of the cocoon.
Back on Madison.
Stopping! Stopping!
All right, homies.
Keep it right! Coming through on the left!
Convoy ahead of us was attacked. Soldiers.
Right, everybody!
No, it's not. I think it's just more just getting people used to the ride to the right.
Oh, okay.
On your left! It wasn't going on.
All right.
Right up here from Saddle, or did you?
Oh no, I took the
Nah?
actually I took the train up here from the Bronzeville, so the Green Line straight.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it was cool for me.
I like it, rode up from South.
Oh really?
Not bad.
Which way did you take?
I took Lakeshore Drive to Randolph. Then Randolph runs into Lake Street.
Okay, so you did a late street here.
Yeah.
How was that?
Horrible. Like,
Oh, it's a terrible street. Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lake Street's bad. I didn't. Yeah. Okay.
Randolph.
Mhm. Okay. Yeah. At the did you get some fresh air?
This street here is actually okay to take.
Hey, which one are we in? Washington? Okay.
Washington goes all the way through.
It does. It does.
Hey, he just said so.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna try that.
I know Madison does, but that's a boulevard.
Madison's better than Lake.
Yeah. Well, it's a boulevard. Cars go faster. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Try that going back. Like sometimes I look at the train and the bus like, I can throw my bike, and I'm just like, what's the point of that?
Yeah, yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, Madison's a nice ride now. It's all we paved. They got bike.
Maybe I'll ride. You riding back?
What's that?
You riding back to South Shore?
Yeah, I'm gonna ride back.
Yeah, I think I
I
might.
like riding to the street.
Yeah, I might take a. Oh shit! I don't know.
I'm a road cyclist too. I have a road bike, but honestly, like the funny thing is, I may go slower on these type of rides. You're like, I like these rides more than I like riding on a road bike. It's a little more interactive, stimulating.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Right. It's a great way to get to.
Carbon fiber stick on. I go out and ride sometimes, but I prefer these rides more.
Which one is that? Aluminum?
Yeah, this is aluminum.
Okay.
When I bought back when I first started riding back in like 08.
Yeah.
So yeah, I have a road bike at home that I use.
Okay.
You guys have a bike club down there?
Yeah, I ride with Major Pension.
Cool. Interesting.
Yeah, they were. Are you with a club? Oak Park. Oak Park? Okay.
So you ride long distance?
Yeah. Actually, I did my longest this year. I did 80 miles a couple of Saturdays. I normally do 40 to 50. So when I did 80, that was new for me. That was quite good. For the heck I did that. Once I went past my typical 40 feet, I was like, oh, I'm feeling this. That 80 was definitely tough. But I like it. How you doing now? Pothole.
Okay, we back to the green line. Let's see.
You said you in school?
Yeah.
Where?
At Northeastern.
Oh, okay. What you studying?
Geography.
Geography?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Geography, yeah.
No, I went to, I did my undergrad at North Park down the street.
Okay, cool. Yeah. So you got a bike lane on Lake, but I guess it don't last, right?
No, it lasts. It's just the
I
glass.
just told up. Oh yeah.
It's something horrible.
Yeah, it's the same. It's the same. No, actually, it's Jason and Kurt. Yeah, but
Jason what?
and Kurt.
Jason and Kurt?
Yeah, but it's I got a link on the YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's my channel. Yeah, I wish I would have. Yeah, I think I might take Madison back.
Yeah, one of my friends is an avid Google Plus user, and when Google
really?
Plus first came out years ago, like I was on it,
Yeah.
and I thought that because I thought like it was much better than Facebook and what its abilities are, but nobody would get on there, and I would try to advocate for it and post about it, and nobody cared.
Yeah.
So I kind of just ended up leaving it alone myself because there's nothing out there.
Right.
But one of my friends, he's still on it. He does a lot of those small communities on it.
Yeah, they got communities on there, and you get it. That's about the only reason I use it for.
Yeah.
And Google Hangouts if you want to do a video or something. Oh. How long you been with Major Taylor?
I started riding with them 2 summers ago, and I officially joined this summer.
Okay.
But I don't know if I'm going to renew myself for next summer, because, like I said, this is how I got, like, this is what made me fall in love with riding in the first place, was more of the community aspect, interacting, socializing.
Right, yeah, same here.
Like, don't get me wrong, road cycling is fun. I like to put my head down with my gear on and zone out and hit the high speeds, but...
So they're road cyclists, Major Taylors?
Oh, yeah,
okay, yeah, I'll hit
we get out there.
Yeah.
Computers, all that,
Yeah.
Sport,
right.
Sport.
Yeah, I was thinking of maybe starting a meetup group or something for like, or
something like this.
Yeah, something like this.
Pothole, big hole, pothole. Watch that hole.
Sinkhole.
Yeah, but like I say, I actually, as much as it's fun cycling for sport, I like this more.
Yeah, same here.
I might actually sell off my road bike in the winter.
Okay.
And just go back to this.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about it.
So this would be considered a commuter bike, right?
Yeah. This
Okay.
Is more
Uh-huh.
you know, these guys, that's what they want to spread. They want to spread that knowledge of bikes used to commute through
Yeah.
local neighborhoods, support your local economies,
Right.
which economically benefits a lot of
Yeah.
neighborhoods of color, especially black neighborhoods.
Oh, true.
And physical activity.
Yeah, physical
health,
activity, socializing, not being locked up in a house.
Which also
Getting
goes back to the issue of, like, you know, bringing violence down in a lot of these neighborhoods.
Right.
Because if people
our presence. Yeah, presence is a big
have
thing.
a presence, people outside of the street gangs have a presence.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Believe it or not, people don't realize how much street gangs conform to the surrounding culture.
Mm-hmm.
If people dominate the streets as opposed to them dominating,
Right.
a lot of that violence tones down because they
Yeah.
know I can't be out here reckless.
Yeah, yeah.
They know
That's
that.
right. I mean, yeah. Yeah, that's. Man.
Like, they were showing the effects of, like, just putting patio restaurants out
Mhm.
on the street versus neighborhoods that don't have patio seating.
Right.
Like, that changes the mentality and
Yeah,
culture of how the
because
game
it's all right. Yeah, it's all psychological.
Mm-hmm.
Because it, you know, and I realize that now because I would look at some of these neighborhoods they was riding through, and I was like, oh shit, I ain't riding through. But then I realized kind of what the purpose is and how it, you know, just like you know, the West Pullman ride, and you know, people say the same thing. Everybody is you know, friendly and more inviting.
How do you like being in Chatham?
Oh, I lived there my whole life. It's cool. I'm ready for
Something different?
yeah, something more closer to, you know, I've kind of fallen in love with the Bronzeville area.
Okay.
I've been there since about '08, working there.
Okay.
They got a South Campus, Northeastern,
Yeah.
Center in Inner City Studies.
You digging that?
Yeah, so I'm digging that area.
Okay.
It's changed so much.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Big time.
right.
'Cause I remember growing up, you couldn't even take, man, taking the King Drive bus through there was rough.
Yeah, right.
Just the King Drive bus alone.
Yeah. Now you better have some money if you're going. That girl that was with us had a mechanical back there in the park.
She had a what?
A mechanical, I think a bike.
Did she?
Yeah,
Oh, no.
yeah. I just realized that. I think the other guy, Jamal, was with her.
Oh, that's messed up.
Yeah. And she went back. Well,
What's her name? Francesca.
yeah, yeah. Oh.
What made you go to high school all the way out in Maryville?
Oh, we moved out there, you know, like typical when Dad wanted to get out the city,
Oh, okay.
give me a better school. But I went back and I graduated from Morgan Park.
Oh, you graduated from Morgan Park?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, my family did the same thing. Moved out to the Birds.
All right. And came on back.
Yeah, my family didn't come back.
Okay, all the time. I
They're
see.
still out in the Birds. How's everybody doing tonight?
All right. Uh-huh.
So did you do that yourself, or did the helmet come like that?
Oh, it came like that. Yeah. Yep, I bought it like this. There's a guy, the guy up there has a GoPro on top of his helmet.
what?
A GoPro camera.
Oh, the,
On top
oh yeah,
of
on
the
top
test.
of the show,
Yeah. That's interesting. We still in Austin. And,
That's a good question. No, Austin's freaking deep.
okay.
It's one of the deepest areas I know of.
Really? See, this is an interesting block down here with these houses.
What's that?
It's interesting architecture down on that block,
Yeah,
especially on that side.
There's some nice architecture in Austin.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Huh. Yeah, I'm not very.
I think we are still in Austin.
Yep. All right.
Get your bike and join us.
I wonder if he has a motor on his bike. Because I don't know how he...
Someone's got a motor.
Yeah, that guy in the... one of the spotters or whatever. He flies. It looks like he ain't even pedaling. It's kind of like
He might have
he has a motor probably or something. Yeah, we're gonna be back. Yeah. Central. Year-round. Central. Okay. We did one ride up in Calumet Park a couple weeks ago. That was the first one I did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was real nice. We went over to one of them abandoned steel mills over there. It was a small group, which was kind of nice because we went over into, we were able to go into some of them abandoned steel mills, ruins, and able to go all up inside them and everything. Over by 87th and that new Lakeshore Drive park over there. Uh-huh. Yeah.
I'm putting up a whole lot of condos over there.
That's interesting. It really is. Hello.
What's up, man?
Hey, how's it going? You got the GoPro?
Yes.
See this right here? This is a camera right there.
No way.
Yeah. It's embedded in the
Discreet right there.
Yeah, that's the screen. I'm hidden camera.
Stuff.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
kind of camera?
It's an HD camera. But it's embedded. Yeah.
How much that one cost?
About 100, I guess. I got it on sale. Yeah, at REI. Yeah.
How's it work?
It works pretty good. You know, you put it in the as a USB port. Whoops, excuse me. Yeah, hook the USB to the computer and upload it. And it's in yeah. I got rides on YouTube. You can check out. It's Jason 25K.
What's up? Are you back, man?
Hey.
Hey!
Hey! Hey, man. Morning.
Hey! What's up, man? What's your name?
Oh, Jason.
Jason? Tom. Nice
All right,
to meet
Tom.
you.
All right, nice to meet you.
Woo! Hey!
Dogs. Hey.
How you doing?
Yeah, good question.